Hi, so I'm Eleanor.
And I am Teresa.
And we are here to invite you to our next retreat. It's the last weekend in August, so it's coming up really soon.
It's the 27th, 28th, and 29th.
It's in Temecula. It's at the Resort Vina. And what a classy place that is.
It sure is.
Oh
yes.
my gosh, I visited Teresa just a couple of weeks ago and got to see everything. She showed me everything. It's the classroom. This is the classroom, so it'll hold up to 40 people and very comfy.
Very comfy.
Very
sure.
comfy. And ooh, look at the food. Gourmet.
It is excellent.
First class.
First class.
First class. Let me straighten that out. And look at the bedrooms. Now, this is a double bedroom, really fun, twin beds in it. Now you can get a double occupancy room for $410, or if you like your privacy and you just want to sleep alone, you can get single for $560. Pretty reasonable.
Very good deal.
Very
yes.
good.
Yeah.
Now, you can sew on anything you want. Anything you want, but I recommend you bring a quilt in the day, quilt, something that you've forgotten back in the back of the closet. You keep on thinking you should finish it. This is your time, because I'm going to help you finish it.
And so do I.
And also my sister Patty. Oh, we
And
can all
Bill.
help. Or what if you want to start something new? That's what everybody wants to do. Just think about going right out the door, just have your pajamas, and I have the Diamond Party. All cut, it's ready for a kit and ready to sew. Look at this. Beautiful colors. This is our Rose Whispers. The kit includes the pattern and the sew straight. You can buy that. That's a good choice. Or
you can join us in making the triangle wave star. And the kit is cut right to size. As I learned here that we must cut those kits to size. I have quite an experience. And you can make these with us. And believe it or not, all it is squares and half triangle squares in the whole quilt.
think about how peaceful. It's in the country, it's beautiful, it's fresh, oh, relaxing.
You come outside, enjoying the patio.
I know.
And the breeze. Or just have a happy hour every afternoon.
It's great. So I'll be there, Teresa and
Patty,
my sister, and
Gail,
and also our friend from Tennessee, Ann Rother, is flying in just to have a good time with you. So join us.